Welcome to Quran Tracker Pro. To get started, click Create an Account on the main login page. Select the Student Account type, which is free forever, and click Create an Account to continue. Now, fill out the registration form. Enter your first and last name, pick a unique username, and provide a valid email address. Next, create a secure password and confirm it. Then, select your date of birth from the calendar dropdown and choose your gender. Once everything looks good, click the Create an Account button at the bottom. For security, you will need to verify your email. Open a new tab and check your email inbox for a message from Quran Tracker Pro. Copy the 6-digit verification code provided in the email. Switch back to the tracker, paste the code into the boxes, and click Verify Code. Your email is successfully verified, and you are now in your student portal. Here, you can view your overall progress and access your memorization tracker. You can easily navigate between plans for the full Quran, Juz Amma, and Juz Tabarak. When you're finished, you can safely log out from the top right corner. You can now log back in anytime using your new username and password. Welcome to your memorization journey.